Running on my little test tank here, holding a pretty solid voltage, kind of jumping up and down a little bit, but nothing too crazy. I just had to rewire the fan because it wasn't coming on, and now it should come on once it gets hot. So I just redid all of the coolant in the bike, so now it's had all of the electronics rewired, the entire wiring harness rewired, a new stator, a new rectifier. Clearly it's doing what it's supposed to because the voltage is going up and down. It's doing exactly what it should be doing now. So now I just have to let the bike warm up enough to know that the fan is going to come on now that I've rewired the fan for the new ignition that I put on. So, yep, we're just going to let the bike sit here and run until it warms up, and then we see if the fan comes on when it's supposed to. Around 219 degrees the fan should come on. After that, all I've got left is the carburetors to do, which, look at that, man. That does not look like a fun teardown. I am not excited about that teardown. That looks like a lot of teardown. That is just a miserable looking carburetor setup. And then they put this big bar right in the center to really mess with you. Grr. Let me check all this, make sure nothing's getting hot. Nope. Nope. Everything's doing exactly what it should be doing. Cool. Cool. Taking a nice solid charge there at idle. Well, now we're just waiting for it to warm up enough that the fan comes on, and that's it. That's what we're waiting on.